Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be a quick overview video of how I control this Glacier Pro plow system. This is a 66-inch. It has the electric hydraulic unit, and I get questions asked all the time, how do you control the power angle and everything else on the handlebars? So it's going to be a quick overview of how I have this set up. This is completely the Polaris system here. I have nothing aftermarket, so I bought it brand new with the machine. I bought the electric hydraulic unit, which is right there. That plugs in here to a connector that I have mounted, and then you use the winch on the machine to raise and lower the plow itself. And then this will take care of your power angle, obviously. So it's a very neat system. I find it very handy. I would not get a plow on an ATV without that power angle. You have no idea how handy it is to switch the angle or pitch of that plow on the fly. It comes very handy. I use it all the time. I probably make at least a couple hundred maneuvers every time I plow with this machine. So angling that plow is key to get a good, good even sweep or path and cleanup on your driveway. So very simple setup. Like I said, this is the complete Polaris Glacier Pro system, and I'm going to show you from the rider's point of view what it looks like. Let me turn on the lights here so you guys can see better. All right, so here are the controls for the winch, in and out, so up and down. And then here is the separate controller mounted for the power angle. This is the Polaris controller, Polaris switch that comes with the kit. When you buy the power angle unit, it comes with the wiring for this. So clamps onto the handlebar just like so. You replace the top half here with spacers and longer bolts. And it's very slick because I like this location because I can operate both the up and down and left and right with my thumb while still having my hand on the handlebars. Handbrake available right there. I can still make maneuvers and still have the ability to throttle the machine if I need to, or switch on and off from four-wheel drive. So it keeps your hands on the handlebars. There is no lifting of your hands off the grip to control anything else elsewhere on the machine. Everything is right here with your thumb. And it's very easy to operate with gloves, so I have no issues there. And like I said, very easy to operate. I wouldn't have it in any other location besides what you see it here. So I'm going to turn the machine on and work through the controls and show you just a basic operation and kind of what it looks like, what it sounds like, because a lot of people seem to be interested in how I have my plow set up with power angle. And this is how it is right here. Very simple. Just how Polaris wants you to set it up is how I have it set up. So the plow itself is a 66-inch. If you don't know already, I have a ton of videos in my Polaris playlist of this plow in action, me installing the poly edge, which is not a factory option. This is something I custom made. I did add a Polaris scraper bar to reinforce the front of that, if you see that black piece with stainless steel hardware. So now this will add height to the plow, which gives you a taller plow, and that helps because I have a lift kit on my ATV. So a 2-inch high lifter lift kit, this raises it about 1.5 inches to give you more height for plowing. So it's great. It kind of matches the geometry of the lift kit, and it works out great. I have no issues. So check out my Polaris playlist. I have a ton of videos from last year of me making this and installing it on the machine. But I'm going to go ahead next and make a 5 great tips for plowing or machine setup. So that will be next, but I'm going to continue on now and finish up what the plow looks like when it's in operation, just your basic movements. So there it is, guys, a basic overview of the function of the power angle and up and down of the plow. It's a very simple system. It's a great system Polaris offers. I wouldn't want it any other way. I love how the controls are placed on the handlebars, and I can operate everything with my thumb on the fly without removing my hands from the handlebar. So great system. I highly recommended. I will post information about the plow and all the links for Amazon links down below the video, so check out my videos in the playlist. I always usually try to link pertaining products and links below the video, so check that out. And I have a bunch of videos coming up, stuff for the 850. I'm going to be putting on the same wiring I have on here for the plow on the 850, so I can start plowing with the 850 and kind of have a comparison, so you'll see more of that. That'll be a great lineup and series of videos. I want to plow with both machines and kind of, you know, see what the differences are, if any. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please place them right down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, guys, please go ahead and do so. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.